Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome again to our 365 daily devotion. Our topic for today is Jesus claims all our thoughts, and our scripture for today is 2 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 5. We demolish arguments and every presumption that sets itself up against the knowledge of God, and we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. So, sa Tagalog, ginagapi namin ang lahat ng pagmamataas laban sa kaalaman tungkol sa Diyos at binibihag namin ang lahat ng isipan upang matutong sumunod kay Kristo. So, the meaning of this verse is really parang yung mga tao or tayong mga tao dapat nating bihagin ng ating mga puso at mga isipan. Kasi our mind, it is so sinful. Our mind, sobrang manikot yan. And kailangan tayo mismo ang mag-control sa isipan natin upang maging masunurin tayo sa Panginoon, upang hindi tayo mahulog sa mga kasalanan. Our first teaching is the Lord reigns supreme in our minds. So we need the Lord to be the dominance in our minds. We need the Lord to rule our minds so that we can't be in a position na pipili tayo ng masama, gagawa tayo ng masama. So we need God para kay God tayo mag-focus and siya yung manguna sa ating mga puso at isipan. Second, the Lord takes our thoughts captive. So when we say captive, it is like parang ibinibihag, ganun. So the Lord takes our thoughts. Kung tayo isasabuhin natin ang Panginoon, ibibihag niya yung thoughts natin para mapunta lang yung mga thoughts natin into good things and not into bad things. Third, the Lord makes our minds obedient. If the Lord is in our mind always, lagi tayong magiging obedient o magiging masunurin kasi hindi natin may isip yung iba kasi ang iniisip natin is si God. So if we are thinking about God, we are not thinking about sinful things. Our first application is demolish all argument against God. So, lahat ng doubt natin, lahat ng pagdududa natin sa Panginoon, we erase it in our minds kasi it will not help us, it will not help the relationship natin para sa Lord kasi we need 100% faith and hindi yung mga doubts. Second, discover the Christian perspective on all things. If we consider God, if we let God to be supreme in our minds, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming perspective into Christianity, magkakaroon tayo ng Christian perspective on all things. Kung baga kapag tinignan mo isang bagay, you are positive because that's how the Son of God thinks. And last but not the least, dedicate our thoughts as captives to Christ. So our thoughts is really sinful, but if we dedicate it to Christ, ang mga thoughts natin is magiging for Christ only. Ang magiging thoughts natin is lahat para sa Diyos.